becomes a plan. A plan backed by actions make your dreams come true. A very warm morning and a hearty welcome to one and all present here. On the behalf of our department, Computer Science Engineering, we welcome all the distinguished dignitaries, faculties and students to this inauguration event of our most awaited CSE Hackathon Club. Welcome.
Can change a moment. One idea can change a world. One step can start a journey. But prayer can change the impossible. Let us begin this inaugural ceremony by singing the blessings of God with a prayer song. We request you all to rise up for the they set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, always about the goal. I would like to invite our respected head of the department, Dr. S. Durga Devi ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
And all present here. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the successful inauguration of our Hackathon Club. First of all, I would like to thank our management, our Honorable Principal, Dr. E. Kamalanavan, Deans of various schools and Deputy Deans, faculties of our CSE department and our beloved students who have organized this valuable CSE Hackathon Club and being a great pillar of support. It's a great pleasure to have Mr. M. Saravanan, Managing Director of GK Radiation Solutions, who has 35 years of experience in automobile, manufacturing and IT companies. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitation and to be the chief guest for today's event. The purpose of our CSE Hackathon Club is to inspire, nurture and upskill students in emerging technologies. It also facilitates knowledge sharing, research projects and career industry. Once again, I welcome one and all for this great inauguration event. Thank you.
Is best when it brings people together. Having said that, I request Dr. A. Vishnukumar Sir, Deputy Dean of Technical Club, to address the audience and give insights about the technical clubs.
Good afternoon. Respected Academic Principal Dr. E. Kamalaman Sir, Dean Academics and the Dean SOIC Dr. Ravi Sir, our Chief Guest Mr. Saravanan, Managing Director, GK Radiation Solutions Private Limited. Good afternoon, sir. All deans, all associate deans, all deputy deans, and all our HODs, our club members and the students. Good afternoon to all. I welcome you all this technical club, Hackathon Club inaugural function. The technical club is the integral part of the student's life, both knowledge and skill. To encourage the informal learning, creative leadership, the teamwork of the Department of CSE has initiated a technical club, that is Hackathon Club, with the motto of igniting the innovative skills among the students. The object is to develop the skills, create the platform for the student and by the student in terms of research, workshops, lot of events, etc. Also, it will help identify the potential innovators of the betterment of Hackathon Club. Along with the study in the college, it is very important to have technical skills, that is the skill development. Therefore, in our institution have taken the more number of initiatives to develop the technical skills. The technical skills events which brings the confidence and the inspiration in the student's life, so that every semester we are organizing the technical events. In the pipeline, the Codathon by CSE department, Hackathon from the IT department, Ideathon by the EC department. These are the events will occur soon. For this event, we plan to train the student to conduct the coding practice session by the student, for the student, by the placed student. In the CSE department, plan to organize Java coding practice session. From today onwards, we plan to organize by the placed student in CSE department, Mr. Karthikeyan, the placed in Capgemini and Wipro, Ms. Gandhimati, Capgemini and Wipro placed in Murali Krishnan, placed in Wipro, and the IT department, Mr. Bharat Kumar, got the two of Capgemini and the Wipro. These students will train the junior students to get the technical skill sets to the student. The skill is only developed by hours and hours of work and practice. Here, there is 14 clubs in our college. Artificial Intelligence Club run by the AI and DS department. Biotechnion run by our Biotech department. Chemical Forum, the Chemical department. Smart City Club in Civil department. Hackathon Club is your club, CSE department. Cyber Security Club in IT department, Innovative IoT Club in EC department, Design Thinking Club in Mechanical department, HR Club in MBA department, Finance Club in MBA department, Marketing Club in MBA department, Operational Management Club in MBA department. MBA department runs the 4 clubs. In S&H department, Communication Clubs and Mathematical clubs. The successful warrior is an average man with laser light focus. The successful warrior is the average man with the laser light focus. The person who never made the mistake, never tried anything new. The person who never made the mistake, never tried anything new. by Albert Einstein, said by Albert Einstein. On small quote, I conclude my speech. Do the mistake, but don't repeat the mistake. Learn more. I would like to thank our management, our principal, our deans, all associate deans, all deputy deans, all head of the department, as well as the faculty member who encourage our student in progress in education as well as skill development. Once again, thank you all. Thank you.
For sharing your insights with us. Technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. I request Dr. V.R. Ravi sir, Dean of Academics, to provide us with knowledge about the goal and purpose of our CSE Hackathon Club.
Principal Dr. E. Kamalanaman, respected Chief Guest of today's function, Mr. M. Saravanan, Managing Director, JK Radiation Solutions Private Limited, respected Deans, respected HODs, respected Deputy Deans, Associate Deans, faculty members, and my dear students. Good morning, one and all. So, first of all, I am very happy to take part in this inaugural function. What is this Hackathon Club? Why do we need a club, a technical club like this? What are the objectives? Who are the faculty mentor and student members of this club? So I am going to briefly describe this. As per our principal sir advice, every department should have one technical club. That's why the CSE department is going to inaugurate today this Hackathon Club. Okay, this Hackathon Club, it is a technical club run by the CSE department students. It is a nationwide initiative to provide students with a platform to solve some of the innovation problems we face in our daily life, and thus inculcate the culture of product innovation and mindset problem solving. This club will help the students not only in their studies but also in their career, like promoting innovations, out of the box thinking in your minds. This club will also help to initiate capacity and capability development programs for students to promote the culture of curiosity-driven innovation in their respective institutions. The main objectives of this Hackathon Club are: first one, focusing to generate bold ideas, empower collaboration, team spirit, and experimentation mentality among student community. The second one, to drive sustained innovations and solutions to address real life problems and social issues. The third one, to motivate students to bring out technology based, easy, workable solutions. This will lead to commercial product to develop startups. The fourth one, participate in technical events conducted by various colleges and represent through this club. Fifth one, provide exposure and leadership opportunities for students to participate in innovation and entrepreneurship related activities. To conduct a series of hackathon value-added courses in the field of mobile application development, cloud, big data, AI and IoT. Promote academia and industry collaboration. Publish technical papers in conference and journals. This club will be guided by a faculty member, very experienced faculty member, Mrs. P.K. Sheila Shanta Kumari, Assistant Professor in the CSE Department. And the student members are President B. Gandhimali, and then Vice President Pawan Kalyan, and Secretary Harshavardhan, Joint Secretary Chadamali, Treasurer Sangeet Sahana. And they should lead this technical club. So this technical club is one of the activity beyond the classroom activity. So through this club, definitely you will gain a technical skills, leadership skills, and then work in a team. That skill, like that, many skills you will develop through this technical club. Now, this department of CSE is also planned to conduct a lot of value-added courses, seminars and workshops through this technical club. So you will get a very good technical skills. And now I will bless the department of CSE and students of this club. You should get a lot of skills through this technical club in near futures. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your valuable and thoughtful insight, sir. The future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their names. Having said that, I would now like to invite our Honorable Principal, Dr. E. towards our dream. We kindly welcome you to give the inaugural address, sir.
Sometimes I don't take much time. I understand the situation here. Suffocation, lot of suffocation, no air circulation, I understand. Let's wind up very quickly. But cooperate for this time. Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, Colonel Professor Dr. Vedashree R. Rangarajan, respected Madam Mrs. Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan, Founders President, Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Mrs. Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishore, our dynamic Vice President, Mr. KVD Kishore Kumar, our beloved Dean Academics, Professor Dr. V. R. Ravi, and sir is also Dean of School of Electrical and Computing for you, and today's Chief Guest, Mr. M. Saravanan, Managing Director, GK Radiation Solutions Private Limited. Welcome you, sir, for this inaugural of Hackathon Club. Dean Industry Relations, Professor Dr. Suresh Kumar, Deputy Dean Dr. Vishnu Kumar, Technical Club, and other school deans, and the head of the department, Dr. Durga Devi, who is really doing well for the department. And who is behind this club, Madam Sheila Shantakumari. And also the members of this, student members of this club, and faculty members, and other deans, heads, members. Very good afternoon. Good afternoon. எல்லாம் மயக்கம் போட்டு விழுந்த மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாமே வந்து டைனமிக்காவே இல்லை, அந்த தெம்பே இல்லை, எனர்ஜியே இல்லை கூட பசங்களுக்கு வந்து. If this is the case, how are you going for this hackathon, ideathon, codeathon, all these things? How you are going to crack the code, make it something fruitful, useful for this club. And really today the guest who accepted for this inaugural of this hackathon club, really the guest is having vast experience, 35 years of experience, worked in various positions, and we are really honored to have his presence today for this inaugural function. I wholeheartedly welcome the chief guest for this inaugural function of this hackathon technical club activity. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for your presence for this inaugural ceremony of this club. And Dean of School also taking a lot of initiatives for the students of CSC, ECV, EEE and IT, AADS, including AADS actually. You know who is your school dean? Are you aware who is your school dean? You know? Who? Professor Dr. Ravi is your school dean. Try to have some access, try to know the people first. Try to know the people first who is dean, head and associate dean and other things. Whichever the help that you want, you can go to directly your school dean. Definitely it will help. Okay? Listen. ஒரு ரெண்டு ஃபேக்கல்டி இந்த கார்னர் போகும். No use of talking here. When you move outside from this hall, you can talk, whatever you want. But the day full of this day you are going to talk only. I don't know, but what useful work that you carry out. Gentlemen, try to understand. Engineering is not as like what you think that easy. But it is easy for the people who don't study. But who study and who involve and who want to prove something, for them it is very tough. See, the matter is now what we are trying to say is that try to understand in with few minutes I want to say. I don't want to drag this for an hour or half an hour time. The trend of the day today, the ordinary degree what you study 4 years, that is only for entry level. Try to understand. It's like a gate pass. That's what I told in the other function in the morning, MBA. Beyond your academics, beyond your classroom, what are you trying to learn as additional skills, as value addition, or something called skill development design? That helps for your placement. After Corona, just you have entered, I think almost a month, that you have entered and you are carrying out some classroom activity and there are tests and other things. It's okay. It's good actually. Now we are able to see all the faces now today. All these second years. There were any final years here? Final years. Few final years. Rest are all second years, right? Yes, third years. Okay, fine. Sorry. You are all third years. One level up. from second year to second year, okay, whatever it may be, right? So second years you are, right now, we have initiated a lot of things now with the dean and the HOD and other, members of the department, slowly that now we are carrying out with the mini project for you. Mini project, now I think they would have started, is it right? Yes, sir. All are aware with the titles? Yes, mini project titles? Yes, okay, fine. Nalla irukku, ragam nalla irukku. Fine. Girls side. Yes, sir. It is all elementary school level la. Hello, Ramya, yes, sir. Geeta, yes, sir. Isn't it? I can hear now. Somewhere 25 years back, 30 years back, my education where we are, somewhere, some schools in government schools are somewhere where we studied actually. And the so I brought that feeling here today with this technical innovation, something, hackathon. So therefore, my dear students, try to understand the purpose that you have landed in this institute. Okay. So what is the purpose? Try to fix in your mind. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. You're all, very young, dynamic, energetic minds. Make use your energy. Make use of your energy for good things, not for bad things. Not for bad things. Almost we get in a day 90% all bad things only in WhatsApp and YouTube and many other channels. We get access for all unwanted things. For all unwanted things. But we tend to open those unwanted things. Our mind says, just open and see what is it. But that is not required for us. All WhatsApp, all want to say that YouTube or Google or whatever it may be, wherever you go and surf, wherever you go and see, all this unnecessary, unwanted, which is totally, to say matter of fact, to keep away, that is not required for us. But we go and we open all those things and we want to see them. But instead, you go for some good things. So therefore, as like now Kodathon, actually our deputy Vishnu Kumar, now we formed some batches, 20 of batches, to explore coding skills. We formed some batches for 20, in a batch 20 students, for which there are senior students, finally, who are well versed with coding techniques. Exploring coding techniques, and that is also fixed, and they are going to give some training for this coding skills that also is started. The one is now very keep in your mind very clear. The institute where we are focusing, the agenda for the institute is now to focus on mini project skills. Right? Second thing is to focus on one value added program in a semester on latest technologies. Right? Then third one is exploring your coding skills. That is called through Kodathon. Even through hackathon. Kodathon, Ideathon, all are, it's like a mixed. It's like a sambar sadam, Some all vegetables you put it, a sambar, and you mix with rice, it's called sambar sadam. All these athons, Ideathon, hackathon, Kodathon, all it is like a mixed rice. It's a mixed, when we go to Hotel Saravana Bhavan, we take a plate of mixed, we say rice, mixed rice instead of plain meals. Mixed சாப்பிட்டா எப்படி இருக்கும் டேஸ்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி ஆர்டர் பண்றோம். டெய்லி சாம்பார் ஒயிட் ரைஸ் சாப்பிட்டு போர் அடிச்சு போகுது இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி தான் இது எல்லாமே இந்த மைக் இருக்கிற மாதிரி தான் எல்லாம். புரியுதா? ஓகே, they did not plan well of choosing the auditorium. That is a problem. Okay. Anyway, but all these hackathons, Kodathon, all these things, Ideathon. When you work something with Kodathon, hackathon, that reflects, and then you can next level move into Ideathon to get with some ideas. When you work with some mini projects where you generate some idea, then you can land into Ideathon. With some idea, developing a prototype. And that may, I think, through the IIC Institute Innovation Cell, our Dr. Gopinath, Associate Dean of IIC, where he will help to apply for many of the competitions and other government agencies where they conduct lot of competitions with a lot of prizes like a 5 lakhs first prize, 20 lakhs first prize, or 15 lakhs first prize, like that. So it is of empowering the student skill. It is of empowering the student skill. So our motto, the institute idea or the objective is to promote this student in terms of skills, not only in terms of classroom teaching. Only the thing is here, you come and study, get a degree. That is okay, fine. You need to have a degree. You need to have a degree. Beyond your degree, you have to do lot of things. You have to do lot of things. We are giving scope for you. We are for that. We are giving place for you. We are giving platform for you to learn many things. It is up to you to excel in all these areas, fields. So therefore, at the end of the day, after 4 years, when you add this, like we say, mini projects, value-added programs, hands-on practice of these workshops, conducting workshops, webinars, seminars, and so many things, when we club together, when you integrate together, when you combine together, at the end of the day, the student will have a lot of, the required knowledge. So therefore, student will have confidence. Student will have confidence in facing, the interviews, campus interviews, campus placements. Boldly you can face, yes, I know that, I can deal, I can attend this interview, I can attend for this company interview. I am equipped so much so that I can challenge for this company, I can get a job from this company. So that is what wanted for a student. See, your objective is to gain the skills. Your objective is to gain the skills, but not for here, to come daily life and to chat and to see in the afternoon to share some meals, in the chapati, in the puri, in the idli, and the vada, what is called puliyodari, or some rice, tomato rice. This one spoon, that spoon, saaptama, jaliya vandu college life இப்படி ஓட்டணுமா ஓட்டிட்டே போயிடும் அவ்வளோதான் வந்து அப்படியே ஓட்டணும் லைஃப் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. If you do like that, coming in the morning and going in the evening, daily way, the way that you come and go, all 4 years will move like anything. So out of which nothing will come. The outcome is zero. The outcome is net effect is zero. And even the students with some that idea, with some something in mind on day-to-day basis, if you work out, definitely you can do well. Even also, end of the day, you cannot go and accumulate everything and sir, I know everything, you cannot say. கடைசில போய் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு ராமா ராமா கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா என்ன வரும் வாயில தான் சொல்ல முடியும். உள்ள என்ன இருக்கு ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. empty box. This is empty box. So you have to fill this box. You have to fill this box for 4 years. Then only this box will help you. This brain will help you to answer for something. Otherwise, this is empty. Try to understand what I am saying. You may realize after 4 years what this principal was saying about this box of filling and not filling, of filling and not filling. Not filling here. This normally we will fill all the day. 3 times in a day. Minimum somebody will fill 6 days, 6 times in a day. They will fill or even more. But continuously you have to fill this 24/7 whenever you want to get something. The idea, the knowledge that you have to fill all the day this box, right? So then only you can come up as knowledgeable, as you are talented, or you are exploring, extraordinary, you are doing well, extraordinarily you are doing well. We say that outstanding student, outstanding student is very unique compared to others. He is very unique compared to others. So that is how the student has to come up in life. So therefore, these 4 years, if you make use of this wonderful opportunity in the campus, I am saying you as a principal, whatever you want, you walk to us, you come to us, you ask us, sir, this I want. this activity I want to conduct. You go to HOD or you go to Dean. You go to Dean. Sir, this program really that helps us for placements. You conduct this. Definitely, we are the first people to accept your proposal. We are the first one to accept your proposal. You do it, there is no restriction. To gain knowledge, there is no restriction. Whatever the program that you want, you can run. You can gain the knowledge. You can gain the knowledge. There is no doubt in that. We are here to help you all the time. Everybody, all are working for the students. All are, including principal. All the time, 24/7, we are working for the students. No other one. My dear students, try to understand. We are all working for students. Whichever we do, we process, it is related to student. It is related to student. Try to understand. We come for that purpose into the campus, not for any other purpose. Not for any other purpose. Try to understand. You should have that mind, right? When you come to class, if somebody, a group, if you think, if you discuss and if you come out with something that you want this program, yes, definitely you can propose immediately. We will be helping you. We are for you. We are for you. We don't say no. Whether it is with some budget or whatever it may be, yes, of course, we are ready for that. We are ready to run the program, what you propose. So make use of this opportunity. 4 years of education, I am telling to you, that decides your 40 years life. I am repeating this statement in all the meetings. From the last, I think maybe like 10 years, last 10 years in my service career. Right, out of 22 years, I started saying this from last 10 years. Right, a statement like 4 years of this engineering life will decide 40 years of life later, 40 years of life. Right, you may complete your engineering by 21 years or 22 years. Right, if you work out well these 4 years, right, if your formula works well, and right, it keeps you, in somewhere in a good top MNC companies, definitely you are going for a minimum 10 lakhs package. Minimum 10 lakhs package. Even when you come for final year, even you can face 15 lakhs package per year or 20 lakhs package per year. Companies may come. Companies may come. So, who are utilized these 4 years? Your later life, 40 years of life, up to 60 years, 22 to 60 years, you will feel happy, so happy. Your parents, your family, whatever, neighbors, whoever, they feel happy. You can enjoy your life thereafter. You can enjoy your life. But whoever want to enjoy these 4 years alone will suffer like anything in life. After your engineering, you will not be having any knowledge. Right? This box is empty. This box is empty. Therefore, you cannot attend the interviews in companies. You will not get a job, and you have to see for others' earnings. You want to support, you want to have support from others. Again, throughout your life, because of not having good job. Because of not having good job. So try to understand, you want enjoyment in 4 years or after this engineering 40 years enjoyment. Which one you want? 40 years enjoyment or 4 years enjoyment? 40. Louder. 40 years. Yes. 22 to 60 years. 60 மேல என்ன பண்ணுவோம் வேலை செய்ய முடியாது நம்மளால. You may be taking rest. Is it right? இப்போ தோணாது உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு. எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா தோணுது அந்த மாதிரி வந்துட்டு. வயசு ஆகாது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு அதெல்லாம் தோணாது. You may not have that plan. But what is future? What is future I am telling you now. What is future is it's some forecast I am telling to you. That after 22 years, what should be your life? How you want to fix your life? How you want to fix your life? It should be enjoyable life or something different, quite against of that one. Now try to understand, my dear students. We have chosen a right place. We have joined here, Railtech High-Tech Engineering College, autonomous. Yes, good. Really good, autonomous. As autonomous, we want to explore many things. We are to explore here something called the additional, not the classroom activity. Leave about classroom activity. what you study is some with subjects that that definitely they will not satisfy your requirement. So where the institute is empowering the skills required by the student, that is the real institute. That is the real institute, right? Everybody can give degree in the Tamil Nadu or you go in the nation India, throughout India. Whoever go and join, definitely, even whether you come to college or somewhere at home or somewhere in online now with Corona, this degree is going to come to you, definitely. But what is the knowledge gained by you? That is the matter. What are the skills gained by you? What are the skills provided by the institute for these 4 years? Something called value addition, something called beyond the classroom teaching, something called employability skills, something called employability skills. That speaks the matter. That is the matter. So we are now for that. Try to be clear with this concept. This institute is for to give employability skills, best skills, the best skills for to place in the best companies, top MNC companies, ஒருவேளை நீங்க அட்மிஷன் போடும்போது நாங்க சொல்லிருக்கலாம் சார் நாங்க வந்து கண்டிப்பா பிளேஸ்மென்ட் உங்க பையன் கொடுத்துருவோம் கண்டிப்பா இப்போ அதான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்போ I am talking the same. Yes, we are able to provide you best placements. There is no doubt in that. அப்ப பையன் என்ன பண்றான்னு கேள்வி. இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் எடுக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு முயற்சிக்கும் வந்து அந்த அஜெண்டாவோட பையன் டிராவல் பண்றானா? If you are traveling well, yes, fine. It is really good. Easier வேலை கிடைக்கும். If you are not traveling, then how will you gain the skills? You travel with us with the minimum agenda what the institute has now. Even beyond more, you want to equip yourself through self-learning. Yes, good. Through self-learning, you can acquire knowledge like anything. There are a lot of modes where you can learn. Right? The Google engine throughout the world, the Google engine is available where you can get plenty of knowledge through Google or various sources. You can, get knowledge. You can grab the knowledge. There is no doubt in that. Right? But the minimum agenda that the institute is setting now to provide the best employability skills for the students. If you move with us, what we are focusing now, if you are moving with us and if you are able to do with us and if you are able to follow with us, definitely 100% placements, there is no doubt. Definitely 100% placements in top MNCs. As of now, nearing to 100 now, these final years. Present final years, just we started 2 weeks back the placements, drive. Right, we started in the month of September. Yes, we started in September. We are reaching now the target now 100 within a month. 100 placements in CTS, TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini. Right, the companies. Still some companies has to publish their results. Right. So that is the status. Day 1 companies, Day 2 companies, Day 3 companies. Companies are ready. Institute is ready to provide skills. It is up to you to take. It is up to you to use the opportunity. If you don't utilize opportunity, don't take. Don't blame the institute. You should be very proud that you are here today. This college is doing lot of things. You have to think. After 4 years, you have to say this college is the best college. They have given everything to us. Not only classroom. Beyond the classroom, they have given enough skills. More than what is required. So we are planning semester by semester. Each semester one value added. Therefore, up to final year when you come 4 or 5 value added programs, 4 or 5 mini projects, 4 or 5 workshops, right? Lot of seminars, lot of other events, project competitions, lot of things. So if you are into this, definitely you are really skilled. If you are participating in all these activities, really you are skilled. Really you are skilled. We want skilled engineers. We want to produce skilled engineers. So in the This may not be like this, okay? System cannot be like this. System cannot be like this, okay? So try to understand, try to make yourself comfort, feel your comfort, right? Always you have to feel this atmosphere, this environment is making you to come up with some positive vibration. So you have to be always, vibrant in the campus, to work with more of activities. I am expecting here, not all the time in classroom, but majority of the time to have activities in the campus. That's what I am saying to deans, heads, conduct activities, go for a lot of value-added programs, go for workshops, go for mini projects. Don't be bookish. Don't be in the classroom all the time. 8-hour program, 8 hours timetable, 8 hours, this hour comes, this hour, all starts. Only book knowledge. What is beyond book knowledge you have to learn? What is beyond the book knowledge? That is what real engineer. So with this I will complete my speech because of sweating, lot of sweating in this hall actually. Even you are also feeling the same. So therefore, in several other occasions, I think we can in fact further with a lot of other functions. So there is no doubt in that. But this is the right time for second years to take this all inputs and to make use of this for the 4 years. So definitely this hackathon is the one where students, group of students to sit together and to discuss and to come out with some coding skills or some group ideas, innovative ideas or knowledgeable items, to explore and to discuss. This is a forum, like hackathon is a forum, or codathon is a forum of discussing something, exploring something. Okay. So therefore, make use of this, technical clubs. So therefore, you can explore well. So with this, it's really wonderful opportunity that the department, organizing this event and giving to the students, really wonderful. I also, want to say that congratulate and thank the HOD of this department and the School of Dean, really doing well, and the initiative, the technical club, Deputy Dean Vishnu Kumar and other members, faculty coordinators and student members who are for this, behind this, inauguration. Really good work. Wish you good luck. See that you are doing that. Finally, see that the day one today, what is learned by you, that is the accountability. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
It's a great honor to hear such inspiring words from you. I would now like to call upon Dr. M. Malati ma'am, Professor of CSE Department, to introduce our chief guest.
Consider ourselves very fortunate as we have got an opportunity to have Mr. Saravanan sir among us. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Saravanan sir, who has currently working as a managing director of GK Radiant Solutions Private Limited and has 35 years of experience in automotive manufacturing and IT solutions. He was the Vice President of Polaris Software Lab Limited for 12 years and worked for Kumaran Systems Private Limited as AGM quality for 40 plus years. He has established himself as business development leader, transition management expert, high value proposal builder, software process improvement consultant, quality professional and system auditor. He is member of the Software Process Improvement Network and in the National Institute for Quality Reliability. He is certified lead auditor for ISO 9015 QMS and ISO 14015 EMS. His research article was published in the International Research Journal Current World Environment on Impact of Geopathetic Radiation on Health and Environment in 2018. He is an international speaker in the field of radiation purification engineering and addressed various international international conclaves conducted for healthcare, land, missionary, sustainability, HR, performance and management, and healthy property clinic. Thank you so much for your presence, sir. Thank you.
Sir, thank you ma'am for your brief introduction about our chief guest. Now, we have a presentation that will give you a glimpse of the thoughts and purpose to be achieved by our Hackathon Club.
Chairman, Emperor Sakuntala.
I now invite our chief guest to address the gathering. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you're clear, sir.
Let me thank you, the management of Engineering College and respected principals, Dr. Raman, principal, and Dr. Ravi, the academics, and Dr. Durga Devi, actually, Computer Science Secretary, and of course, Dr. Suresh, being Industrial Relations, who was instrumental in connecting me to this function. And other faculty members of the college and the CSE, and our students, future potential engineers. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. I would like to start with one quote from Kabir. The quote is under a long syrup, which means knowledge is the power. The knowledge where we gain, there is an opportunity to given in our college. And they created a very strong flat hat. The variation of one of them is called this intercom flat. Really, I was nice to see that the objectives and the facilities and the infrastructures we have provided for the students to utilize this opportunity to learn and gain and acquire the knowledge. In fact, have so many points to convey to the students which may help and back. Our principals have actually addressed 7 points, and which is highly valuable to the students. As is rightly pointed out, we are here, college is here, and we are providing infrastructure, we are providing the learning process to you, and it is up to you to utilize this opportunity to learn and gain the knowledge. In fact, the topic which was given to me is the trends in technology. In today's time, to know anything about in any field, the communication is there and the sources of information are available. Anyone can go and find out and obtain the knowledge. But for all these things, the foremost important is the role and responsibility. I always talk about this at all age groups and all different professionals. Why I will say that? Let me ask you, everyone is that wishes to be a successful person in their life as a whole. The life has different phases. You started your life as a childhood, and you become a student. But 10 years, 11 years of education and professional education. When you become your professional career or a businessman or an entrepreneur, when you become a family man and you build a family, and there is a lot of relationships are connected. And every role when you play, and you look at the responsibility. For example, you take the responsibility of a family, father. Father has a responsibility to take care of the whole family, to provide materialistic benefits and to provide the social and behavioral lessons. Take care of your, just look at your mother. The mother is the homemaker or working professional. She is taking care of the children, taking care of the whole family. And everybody is having a responsibility. You become a professional guy, your job is to work. Now, when it comes to a student, what is your responsibility? The role is a student, but what is your responsibility? Have you ever asked these questions to yourself? The student's responsibility is only studying. That's it. For studying, when opportunity is given for you, you cannot do anything other than this, which is the primary responsibilities. Now, as my principal sir has highlighted very strongly on this point, which is nothing but realizing your responsibility. Because this, I'm a student, I have no problem. I have only my target is only study. Starting from the school education to the higher education. And all other things are taken as a secondary responsibility. But people consume most of the time only on the secondary responsibilities. Okay, and they lose focus on the primary responsibility of education. Now, why I am saying that, apart from my professional experience and business experience, I am also a counselor for various students. For the last 15 years, I would have actually counseled more than 500 students during education, after education. 75% of the people came to know only after education because they have already missed the class. They have created impact on their professional area. So my request to you, select your role model, define your goal, draw a roadmap as you was talking about the 4 years education. When you want to travel during these 4 years of education, when you want to come out as a successful engineer, what do you mean by successful engineer? You must be an employable engineer, not a simple engineer. If there is a note takers, that means you are not an engineer at all. You are supposed to sell yourself. For which knowledge is the most important, not only a simple thing. You can learn today. There is a online education. You can learn that with any the process of your studies. That's what actually I want to make you to realize. The opportunity is given, the first given, the polite the facility is given, the professional, the forum is given, the class. And look at the touching point where your class, where your objectives, your values, innovation. Innovation, ideas are plenty. There is a lot of sources. Actually, somebody was talking about the real life problems. Select the problems which has a greater social impact as per your innovation idea. Provide your technology solutions to solve this social impact problems. This is a very, very simple. Around you will find lakhs of problems I'm telling you. How coordinated with many students and have provided and selected and identified the problem which has a greater impact on the social issue, which can be solved by technology, by engineering solutions. So, don't think that innovation comes from the sky. The innovation is actually a catalyst for you to select the problems within the social. Community. Now I see that I can share some of the learnings I can tell you with the 320 what is in our problem or learn something. My father studied only third form, which means before any learners, the third form which is like a degree, right? The third form with the third form, I used to recollect even today. He never used, but actually there is no even calculator or something to compute the numbers or multiplication and all this. You give any number, he always compute to learn by mind. He said, now today if they ask what is that 8 plus 7, people actually go to the computer or a mobile to look at this calculator and they try to compute whether 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 or not. That is the level, that is the kind of things. The thought process actually suppressed by some of the technologies today, but the technology will help you to provide a valuation. So, why is this kind of an how to say that learn that? And what is the kind of a commitment to the work? Without a complaint in the work. My father will never move to the next. So, learning is there from your father, from your brother, from your sister, from your mother, relatives, from your teachers, well-wishers. There are high quality of learnings. There is a lot of sources available that we always neglect because it's unavailable free. And there is nobody who could value to this kind of knowledge. It is actually a trigger. We always say that the trigger. I will share another very simple example, which I provide a lot of counseling, but I don't provide counseling to my children. Now they are grown up, they are matured enough. I would like to quote my real life example in my second son, who was studied up to 10th standard in CBSE, was an average student, I was scoring between 60 to 61%. I always tell that. It is good now, which may be useful for you for going further education. Plus 1, plus 2. When he was doing, he suddenly changed the complete mathematics into the formula. He said, whatever this subject you want to choose, if you are interested, put your sincere effort. That's all I told you. And you will not believe it. I never told you to study, score 90%, come school first. Never first class. But he asked me, this is the commerce, first time I'm studying, I need a certificate of the BTech September professional. So I have connected a professional who was actually teaching me. I said you should give the, and you will not believe, the board exam came, every board exam, I was attending it, after the exam I asked him, how was the exam? I did excellent. He said, you pass. Please for 6. Please for 7. That don't know. I've done excellent level. You will not believe after the examination, after the result. He scored 97% and he came to school topper in all the subjects, which I could not even believe. And I came to know later when I was doing the complete analysis. The tutor was telling, sir, I never taught him anything. I created the fire for the education. I created the fire for the studies. Today, I told him why he just joined BCom. He said because he has changed his mathematics and science into the commerce, so he joined with BCom. And he got 7 jobs when he was doing second year BCom. Here in Vietnam. Why I am sharing this experience today? He is working for a company called Deloitte, the world number 1 in the financial services. Jaburi, where you need to excel, the fire subject is set. No subject is prepared from anybody. It will roll on its own. The body will become the huge in all areas. Today, what I know for the last 1.5 years, during this 1.5 years, I could see visually that my son got 5 times in the special award during this 1.5 years from the company as a special award in terms of monetary benefits. It's possible. When you are working remotely, it is visible to the people. For all these things, achievement, what is the basic? Look at the fire within the person. You need to have a trust and base to learn. I wish to give an opportunity given within the student age. This is the stage. If you miss this stage, you cannot come back to the student life to study. But learning is the process still, even till you are death you can learn. Even today I am learning every technology in businesses. I am learning, I am entering into that. So, learning is a continuous process. But as a student life, as a basic qualification as an engineering, you want to excel, you want to be the number 1. Hopefully you learn today, there is no number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. There is a difference of 0.001%. That is the difference between 1 and 2. Everybody is the right person. So, with my real life examples, I am sharing this. This is you must create a fire. Open up the fire, the past for learning. Gain the knowledge. And you see the difference in respect you get from the society of people. This is an opportunity. I don't want much about the technology. Look at the technology. Principal was talking and even Dr. was talking about there is so many technologies today. You call it an artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, edge computing, Internet of software, things that today it is called the IoT, Internet of behaviors, cloud computing, data science is excelling today. Data science is one of the better technology, emerging technology. Or whatever the process, engineering process you are doing, that could be a subject, and apart from that, you can also do a certification program in data science. There is an opportunity, even online program with respect to data science from IIT, when you are even studying, you can do that. There is what we call the blockchain. If you go to each technology which is available, actually it becomes minimum is I am not here to teach you the technology, but there are so many opinions are available to focus and select a particular technology and to work. And you become an expert, a professional expert. You brand yourself. What? You have to brand yourself. Not an engineer, when I was talking about employable engineer, but diploma, when you become a professional, what is your professional? You define, there's a mobile solution architect, data science, manager, data science chief. You call yours, you define that goal. Draw a roadmap. After 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, what you want to be. And keep that in front of the audience. Will make you a great successful man in your life. With this, I do not know how much impact it created for the student media virtually, but this innovation function, I wanted to be always present and being a current story of the two-week, we wanted to be a way and it's how created to virtually. In fact, I worked for the last student of here, only to virtual meeting. Across the world, I do one business. I used to travel every week. There was no travel for the last student of here, but still I made the same business. But we need to adapt ourselves to the existing scenarios. So, in the future, definitely, the opportunities once the situation improves, I would like you to people students before end of your career, your education institutions, that you also sales by the time that you technologies and the new knowledge. Thanks for the opportunity to the management and students and program. Will be working some kind of keep it which made them for your life. Thank you so much.
Also, it was indeed very motivating and inspiring. With all these excellent and inspiring insights from our distinguished dignitaries, we've come to an end of our CSE Hackathon Club inauguration event. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all the dignitaries assembled here. I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. M. Saravanan, who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts. Thanks to our beloved management, principal, dean, academic